what is up, people? FIFA here, and today, well, not today, I've just done some videos that I've done in Disneyland. Some are only like 40 seconds long, so enjoy them all. So I'm going to just put them up on different videos, so and then you can have some good stuff. Peace, and enjoy the video.